I am flying to Davao City to be part of the Kadayawan Festival, and it's my first time to be included in the festivities, and I am happy to be invited by Ayala's Abriza Mall to stage a performance. Nakaka-excite na makasama dito kasi Kadayawan Festival is one of the hugely celebrated occasions in the Philippines, and I'm always looking forward to seeing all the Davaoeños.
Well, we're celebrating the Kadayawan Festival this week, and we've had a series of activities, and we just want to bring the best and the latest to our customers. So we decided to invite Sarah Geronimo, is one of the, I guess, the best singers in this generation.
First time ko na ma-celebrate yung Kadayawan Festival dun sa Davao. First time ko nakita yung mga mahal nating Davaoeños na nagse-celebrate, yung naka-outfit talaga sila na para sa Kadayawan Festival.
Well, Kadayawan is an annual festival in Davao, and it's a very big celebration in Davao. We wanted to create that festive atmosphere here in Abriza, and we wanted to celebrate Kadayawan here, not just in other parts in Davao. We wanted to also bring the Kadayawan Festival here in the Abriza Mall in Davao.
Kadayawan Festival. Mamaya po, nandito kami sa Abriza, part po ng Abriza Mall, no? Dito po yung event, mamaya may mall show dito. At from the airport, dumiretso kami dito sa Cafe Laguna to have lunch. So, yun. Nag-rest na lang muna. Tapos, show.
Well, we invite them to Cafe Laguna because this is not in Manila yet. This is a concept. Even Hanoi today, we're here because we wanted to also bring Sarah and her team to the best of Davao. So as I mentioned, Abriza has the best of Davao and the first in Davao. Cafe Laguna has Tagalog dishes actually, and they brought them to the Vismin region. So they have very good dishes, very good Filipino desserts. Something to look forward to. I look forward to my visits to Cafe Laguna every time I'm in the Vismin area. We opened a year ago, and our value propositions, we wanted to bring the best in shopping, dining, entertainment in Davao. So we brought in first in Davao concepts and the best of Davao concepts here in Abriza. And we wanted this place to be a hangout place where families can bond, where individuals can relax and unwind. And I think we've been able to accomplish that.
Ayan, ganyan no. Ganda no.
We're just so happy with the reception, and everyone was here as early as the time we opened the mall.
Nandito na kami sa Abriza Mall. Malapit na mag-start yung show. At ayun, excited na ako na makita yung mga taga-Davao, mga Davaoeños at celebrate ang Kadayawan Festival with all of them. At ayun, tara na! Let's do this!
Yung entrance niya, Gabi, sumayaw siya. Tapos, basta, natuwa lahat ng tao.
so many fans here in Davao, and we're just so happy to see all the popsters watching her, and it's like we really made their day by bringing Sarah Geronimo here.
Yung pag-whip niya po ng hair niya, ang ganda-ganda, grabe, ang ganda ng hair, ang ganda ng katawan.
We had over 90,000 people in the mall today, just clamoring for Sarah.
Yes, makikita naman po natin, maraming tao talaga. First floor, ground floor, lahat. Dami, marami talaga po. Di ba katulog sa gabi?
Di ba katulog sa gabi sa kakaisip kay Sarah Geronimo? I'm happy! Happy na happy to the max!
Matagal ko siyang hinihintay, almost 2 years. Kasi hindi na siya pumunta din sa Davao. Tapos palagi ako nanonood ng Sarah G Live para lang talaga sa kanya kasi idol na idol ko siya. Best performer siya, the best ever.
It's so wonderful to be here in Davao. At syempre po, it's an honor to celebrate the Cagayan Festival with all of you.
Hi, Sarah! Oh my God! Nakita na rin kita in person! Masaya po, gabi!
Grabe, masayang masaya. Oh, kakanina ma'am, alam mo dito, so siksikan, pero bahala na. Basta makita ko lang si Sarah.